Hi, my name's Jimbo Clark, and I got a box on my head.
I'm the creator of the box, and I've had the honor of boxing, unboxing, and reboxing thousands of brains around the world. People often say, think out of the box, but nobody ever tells us what the box is. The box represents your unconscious thinking that protects you and that helps you make quick decisions.
If I can know what my assumptions are, then I can choose those that are helping me and those that aren't.
In a box session, you'll experience interactive activities, reflections, and discussions designed to deepen your understanding of your unconscious thinking while increasing your appreciation for the valuable role the box plays in your life.
We really want to align our thinking to the future.
And we do that by exploring the pressure that's created between the gap of our future vision and our current thinking. We want to improve our connections to others, increase your creativity, and look for out-of-the-box solutions to your own puzzling situations.
I'm really trying to help people think differently by understanding the boundaries of their thinking. And the way I do that is with a box.
I honestly believe that by putting that box on your head, you're going to experience what happens to you every day under pressure. Your unconscious thinking impacts how you view the world, just like that box does. As we unpack what we learned from the experience, we'll discover that the key is not just to think out of the box, but to think back into a better box.
The goal is to think about the future that you want to get and then create the boundaries of your thinking that are going to help you get that.